All right, we are in, I think this is Des Moines, maybe Urbandale. I don't know, but got this building here and got something neat in here. So y'all know the deal. Let's go check it out. Uh-oh. Oh no. Well, that's not a very good look. This is not good. But that looks a little better. Look up there. All right, let's see if they're original. The lantern's original. That's a good sign. Now the fixtures. Yep. Cool. All right. Vector. Montgomery Vectors. Four cars too, that's a lot. I guess they replaced all the call buttons. I guess it was just a mod of those, so. Do not let those call buttons fool you. Oh, single speed. Whoa. That's a wild shine. That's locked. That is burnt out. Anyway, damn, bank of 4 Montgomerys for 6 floors. That'll be all.